Flip your robot over. Use a screwdriver to remove the edge sweeping brush. Loosen the 4 screws securing the bottom cover. Then, remove the bottom cover. Press the bin release button and remove the bin. Loosen the 2 retaining screws on the cleaning head module. Then remove the module. Insert the new cleaning head module and tighten the 2 retaining screws. Click the bin back into place. Replace the bottom cover and tighten the 4 screws, making sure the bottom cover is flush with all sensors. Replace the edge sweeping brush and tighten the screw. Then you're all set.